Poor, poor Dulcinea. She don't like the thunderstorms. No, she don't. Poor little girl. Poor little girl. She don't like the rumble bumble. She don't like that rumble bumble. No, she don't. Oh, oh, poor baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby. You stay in your hidey corner. You stay there. Everything will be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. You're a good girl. You're such a good girl. Yes. It's gonna be okay. Yes, everything's gonna be okay. Oh, you're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. You're such a good girl. You're a good girl. Yes. Yes, you're a good girl. You just stay there. Everything's gonna be safe. You're gonna be so safe there. Nothing's gonna hurt you. Daddy's gonna protect you. Daddy will protect you, Dulcie. Yes. You'll see. You'll be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Yes. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Oh, you're such a good girl. Yes, you're so pretty. You're the prettiest pretty girl there could be. Okay. You rest. You relax. It's gonna be okay. You just relax. It's gonna be okay.